Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Brillo Basics copper coated scourers. Yeah, now this is a scourer, hard word to say, and these work really well. I've used these for several years actually, and they're real squishy, they're real smushy, like you can smash them like a sponge, right? But they're real coarse. They're really coarse. Now, what I like to use these for, I mean, you can use them for all kind of different things. Your pots, your pans, any kind of, dishes or whatever you need to wash, stubborn things that may have sat a while on certain pots and pans or plates or something like that, and you need to get in there and scrub with your elbows and get your whole arm into it, scrub and get all that grime and everything out of it. These are good for that. These are very good for that actually. You can hold these real easily. I usually hold them like this, you see, and I scrub like this, and it gets out all those grimy, caked on, dried or whatever stuff that you have, that's just planted on those pots and pans or dishes. Yeah, but what I really use this a lot for, these kind, is my outdoor grill, my barbecue grill. Yeah, these work wonders on my grill. The only thing is, after I use them on my grill, just like one of these, they're usually, I mean, it does the job. It gets everything really clean, but it seems like, I mean, you have to use it kind of rough. So after you're done, these usually get kind of tore up, from all the, I mean, not from doing pots and pans and stuff like that and plates, but when you do your grill, because you really have to get in there and it's like tough cleaning. But this does the job, but it's usually tore up at the end afterwards. So what I do is I buy a pack of these. This is a pack of 3 in here. I barbecue a lot. I like to do all kinds of cooking outside. It just gets dirty. Those coals and all the fire and the meat and everything that you put on there, it gets really grimy, every single time. I don't think it's possible to avoid that. So you have to be prepared to clean. I always have a pack of these ready. I use just one per barbecue, meaning like for the entire barbecue day, I'll go through one of these. Yeah, and then just toss it, because it's going to be really tore up. I mean, it will be black and just, torn to shreds. So, but these are really inexpensive, and a pack of 3 will be good for me for 3 barbecues. But if you're not doing barbecues and you're just doing, everyday pots and pans and stuff like that, these are totally reusable. They work really well and they clean really easy. I've been using these for a while now, and I love how economical they are to get, and that they come in a pack of 3, and that they're so, they really work well. I know they have different kinds of these that are, different metals like aluminum or such like that. But I prefer the copper. For some reason, to me it seems more flexible. Yeah, and it just seems to be able to get into where you need the like for it to form the shape of whatever you're putting this in. Like if you were putting this in, say, like a mug or something, or any kind of a bowl, or it just forms into that shape. And I just really like how squishy it is. You know, it really can get into all those shapes to actually do the job that it needs to do. Now, I wouldn't use this to clean tiles or like bathtubs or anything, or anything like that. So I just wouldn't. It's not cool. So it just doesn't seem to work well for that. So that's my opinion. But I like these a lot. Yeah. All right. Well, that is the Brillo Basics copper coated Scourers. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. Okay. Bye bye.